Yes, now I can hear you. Hi,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm good. And what about you?
I'm also good. Thank you for asking.
And I thought you will not call me because you are a YouTuber now and you have to upload videos on YouTube on regular basis. So I thought you were busy.
Yes, I'm busy, but I have to make some time for you guys, right? Because my concept is that we learn together.
Yeah, yeah. I want to say something, and I must say you are beautiful.
Oh my God, thank you so much. I'm
Yeah,
re-
you have a beautiful smile.
oh, thank you so much, Chaya. I'm really glad to hear this comment. Thank you so much. And you also very beautiful. You look stunning today.
Though I don't believe in such comments that I
No,
am
no, no.
beautiful, but thank
No,
you.
I'm saying by my heart, you are pretty girl.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay, Chaya. So before we are going ahead, let's have some quick introduction. Right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
I have mentioned that I am Chaya from
Yes.
Ranchi. You have heard about Ranchi?
Yes, yes. I heard a lot of time about Rachi, about Mahi.
Yeah, yeah, Captain Cool. And
Yeah, Captain.
wherever we go, yeah, I mean to say wherever the people of Ranchi travel, they when they came in contact with strangers and the stranger asks them where are you from, they always flaunt like we are from Ranchi and Dhoni lives just beside our house and he is our neighbor.
That is hilarious. You also used to say that?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, when I was in 12th and we visited to Dharamsala that is in Himachal Pradesh. We we said that he is our neighbor, but
Okay, that's great. That's great. So do
and I will tell you an
yeah, yeah.
incident that that very day when my friend called me and said you should make friends, and I saw your post at that day only. I saw the post and I thought I should try, and I mailed you that I want to talk to you.
Okay.
And
So yes.
it's very good to talk to you.
Thank you so much, Chaya, and it's my pleasure that you messaged me, you mailed me, and I now I can connect you. So it is great.
Yeah,
Okay, Chaya. So I want to ask you one thing that um, does Mahi really live next to your home? No?
no, no, no. But he is like for 10 to 20 kilometers away from my home.
Okay, so I think you go on daily basis to meet him. You can go on daily basis to meet him.
Yeah, but his guard will not allow us to visit his house because we are ordinary person, but he is a celebrity now. But my friend, yeah, I was discussing with my friend that he is from Ranchi, but we haven't met yet, so we should try to meet him. Then he said that how we will meet Dhoni. Then I told him an idea that he is in Ranchi and he is working in a farmhouse and providing jobs to farmers there. So we should discuss at farmer and we dress up like farmer and we will go to his farmhouse. Then we will click some picture and we will show it to our friends.
Oh, that was amazing idea. So you did that, or you just talked about that idea, the idea.
I just talked about the idea.
Okay, okay. Yeah, I can say that the biggest fan of Mahendra Singh Dhoni. I really like to watch him, and the way he play cricket and his famous helicopter shots. I really like.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but I did not get the chance to meet him.
Don't worry, you will get definitely one day. Don't worry, dear.
But I'm lucky that I'm his neighbor. At least
Yes,
I'm
at
in
least
the city.
you both are living in same city. So tell me about your education, your interest,
Yeah,
dislikes.
I have just done Bachelor of Education, and I want to pursue Masters in Education so that I could teach student teacher,
Okay.
trainee teacher. You know about the trainee teacher now. You have done your BLEd or B.Ed.
I have done DED, Diploma in Education.
Okay, and I want to say something that I have never seen such a young teacher in government sector.
Okay, thank you so
I
much
have
for that.
never seen I have never seen such a beautiful teacher in government
My
sector.
God, oh my God, you make me crazy to praise me in that way.
No. It's reality. Don't you feel that?
Um, I I don't know. How can I say? I don't know. I just
But
try to look good, try to be healthy, and try to more lively. Yeah, I just want to feel happy. That's it. And you are praising me about my smile, but today I got a little bit I not bad, but someone told me that you laugh too much, you laugh unnecessarily. Yeah, I
because
got
of
this.
your smile, I collect courage to talk to you.
Yeah, that is something I really like about myself. I want to comfortable other people so they can relate me and they can come to me that yes, I am comfortable with you and I'm going to talk with you.
I have I have watched your video and just discovered that you like gardening.
Yes, I like very most gardening.
I
Plant.
like I like yeah. Tell me.
No, no, go ahead.
I like gardening too much. Wherever I go, I try to collect some plants, and my relatives and my friends, family always make fun of me that she is plant mother. I I take care of my plants like babies.
Same here, darling. We are quite similar in this term. I really feel the same the thought you have. I can relate with this because I also feel that plants are like our babies and we need to talk to them, we need to
Yeah,
take care of them. And I whenever someone pluck any flowers or leaves, I feel very bad for them. I feel like they have some pain, maybe they cannot talk, but they have some pain like us, right? And whenever see flowers, beautiful roses and any kind of flowers, any kind of vegetable plants, fruit plant, trees or plants, I feel like wow. Really, really.
whenever a leaf comes into plant, I'll be like click pictures. I always click pictures of plants.
Okay, so you are a nature lover person, I can say like
Yeah,
that.
yeah. Yeah. I'm truly a nature lover person, and I just love to collect plants in my terrace garden. I will show it to you someday.
Okay, you have my WhatsApp number. Just take some pictures and send me the
Yeah,
pictures.
sure,
So tell me
definitely.
what kind of plants do you
I
have in your
love
garden?
I love indoor plants, and I don't like regional flowers because they just die after 1 month or 2 months. So I love indoor plants and colorful leafy plants. You have heard about coleus?
What did you say?
Coleus plant?
No,
Have
I
you
haven't.
ever heard about?
I haven't
a
heard about
plant
that.
which have a plant which have colorful leaves, and it has many varieties. You will love to see.
I think I heard about that. I think so.
I just love coleus
Okay,
because
just
they are
take
so colorful.
pictures and send me in WhatsApp or on
Yeah, yeah.
WhatsApp. I don't know what is the correct prepositions I need to use, but
On
yeah, yeah, on WhatsApp. Yeah, I love to see your plants.
I was little bit nervous,
No,
but
it
right now,
don't. I make you nervous.
no, 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 not at all.
Feel free to say
And
anything. I'm here to listen you.
my other hobbies are like playing with kids, and
Oh,
I have to irritate them. Whenever they get irritated, I just feel like I did something. I achieved something.
oh my God. You are naughty girl.
Uh, yeah, yeah. I love to listen short stories. I will tell you an incident when I was a child. Whenever relatives visit to us, I warn them. I tell them that if you know a story and if you will not gonna tell me at night, then you can leave my house right now.
You are such a
I was
naughty
just
girl.
I am fond of short stories.
Okay, okay. So, would you like to tell any short story right now?
Right now, I don't.
Let it be okay.
I,
Take your time. If you have some story immediately, so tell me. Other than that, no problem. No, it's okay.
no,
It's okay. All right. So, just let's talk about your dislikes. What are the things you don't like at all?
I dislike when anyone pluck my flowers or anyone hurt my plants,
Me too.
and I dislike many things. But right now, I am not
Okay,
finding
tell me about your
anyone.
family. How many members are in your family? Are there?
I have three sisters. No, I we are three sisters and the youngest one. And my mother was a teacher, was a government teacher.
That's nice.
Uh, that- yeah, yeah. And tell me about your family.
Okay, in my family, we are like half dozen. We are six
Six
brother, brother
brothers
and
and
sisters,
sisters.
siblings. Yes, and in a row, I am a third one, and we are four, including me, four sisters and two brothers.
Mm.
My mother is housewife, or I can say house queen.
They do really hard work.
Yes, mothers are
Yes.
like God, almost God for us, right? They are
I
always there for us. Yeah. Okay, Chaya, it is nice chatting with you. I really like to talk with you. It is very lovely chatting, and I hope that we will connect again.
yeah, we will meet again virtually.
Yes, yes. I really want to meet with you. Whenever I have any group discussion, I will let you know. Okay, if you will free, then just tell me. I will add you. Okay?
I I love to join because through group discussion we learn many things,
Yeah,
and
we
I had decided uh, to learn. Then why not?
yes,
We
yes.
should take steps.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah,
For
definitely.
okay,
And
Chaya.
you are the one
Yeah.
who inspired us, and thank you for this.
Thank you so much to um, speaking so much things are about me, and I feel very glad that you guys are there and support me. So I also get motivation from you that I need to work
And
hard.
and we also get motivated.
Yeah. Okay, Chaya, have a great day. I cannot say because day is almost gone. So have a nice dream. Okay.
Sweet dream. Good night.
Bye bye. Good night.